Hello everyone, welcome to Meticulous Business Plans. In today's video, we are going to talk about a region which is famously known as the town of Lord Anantha. Let's take an overview of Thiruvananthapuram in terms of geography, population, and various other factors. Geography. Thiruvananthapuram is the southernmost district of Kerala state, and Thiruvananthapuram city is the capital of the God's own country, Kerala. The beautiful seaside city is built on 7 hills. The main forest produce is timber and minor produces are bamboo, reeds, pulp, matchwood, rattan, etc. Graphite and bauxite are the major minerals found in and around the district. Some of the major crops cultivated in the district are coconut, tapioca, betel, paddy, pepper, etc. Population. Thiruvananthapuram district population as per 2011 is 33 lakhs and the projected 2021 population is 34.83 lakhs. Rural and urban population is 15.29 lakhs and 17.71 lakhs, which is 46.34% and 53.66% respectively. This district has a literacy rate of 93.02%. Economy. The district contributes 10.31% of the state's GDP with an economic growth rate of 13.83%. The district's economy comprises of informational technology, education, plantations, aerospace, commerce, and tourism. The tertiary sector is the major contributor to GSDP here. IT and handloom are the major industrial sectors of Thiruvananthapuram district other than agriculture and mining. The total earnings from tourism in 2018 was Rs 7,864.32 crores. Transport. The Kerala State Road Transport Corporation has 19 transport units in the district. There are 116 bridges in the district. The district has one minor port at Kovalam. The international airport at Thiruvananthapuram is situated at Shangomugam Beach within the city limits, about 3 km west of the city. Industrial scenario. By the number of medium and large-scale industries, Thiruvananthapuram district ranks second among the 14 districts of Kerala. The traditional sectors include handloom and coir industries. The handloom industry is dominated by the cooperative sector, which accounts for 94% of the looms. Thiruvananthapuram is becoming an important center of IT, ITEs and Technopark. Some of the prominent MSME sectors in the district are food processing, general engineering, furniture manufacturing, garment manufacturing, printing and plastics. Industrial schemes and policies. To support entrepreneurs, their businesses and startups, government has launched many schemes and policies, some of which are Entrepreneurship Development Club, Interest Subvention Scheme, Assistance Scheme for Handicrafts Artisans, Biotech Policy. Upcoming government projects. Kerala Industrial Infrastructure Development Corporation proposes to develop industrial development zones around the major airport or seaports to attract investment to the state. The residents would be partly relieved of parking hassles with 2 multi-core parking projects. Now let's look at top sectors in Thiruvananthapuram which have lot of business opportunities. These are IT and electronics, agriculture, tourism, fishery. We at Meticulous Business Plans have done market research and opportunity analysis of Thiruvananthapuram based on resource availability, environment, transport, geography, economy, business environment, and many other factors. We have prepared the Thiruvananthapuram MROAR report based on current situations and scenarios. This report consists of top 20 business ideas which have the highest growth rate and huge market potential in Thiruvananthapuram. In this report, you will get district analysis, existing infrastructure, industrial scenario, market dynamics, top business ideas, financial requirements of businesses, and many more. So if you want to know more about business opportunities in Thiruvananthapuram, then get in touch with us. Meticulous Business Plans. Our contact details are provided in the description below. Subscribe to our channel for interesting business opportunities, business plans, project reports, pitch decks, and much more. Press the bell icon and never miss any update. Thank you.